What's up guys, it's ɡ쏘ᴠᴇ and today I'm filming an updated everyday makeup routine. I should stop talking with my hands, I just feel like... But anyways, let's get right into this. I always get foundation in my hair, whether I like it or not. I don't even remember my name. Okay, so this is G7, this is G8. G7 is darker and I go in with like G7 around here. Yeah, like don't get me for this, but I just kind of like do this on my face because like why not? And the bottle always makes that squeezy sound. I can't help it, not my fault. I use my hands because I guess I don't care about my face. I'm not sure. Take my photo off the wall. I gave myself eyelash extensions, so I'm not gonna do my like eye makeup, but I never do my eye makeup anyways, it doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna take G8 and I'm gonna put that in like the areas where I like highlight, I guess. I don't think it makes that much of a difference at all, but I just like, oh, there's a hair in my fingernail. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I don't think it makes that much of a difference at all because it is a skin tint anyways, but I just like doing it for the extra, like I did that fact. I was gonna put it on my eyelids because I usually do put it on my eyelids, but I'm just gonna avoid my eyelids. I would love to go to a place to get them done, but like why do them for 100 when I can do them for like 30 at home and they'll look, I guess, mediocre? Well, everyone's like, that is a skin tint, it does nothing, but I feel like it smooths me out. Like, do you see it? I see it personally, I don't know. This is the part I have to do like extra fast. So I take the Stress Concealer in G8. I don't use a brush or anything for like most of my makeup except my like contour because I don't know, I just like doing things with my fingers, and plus I don't have to clean a brush or anything. So usually I try not to put a lot because I feel like this does like crease and shit and I'm not really into that. Off the wall. Okay, so let's go a little on my chin, my chin. I don't like to put concealer on my forehead to highlight or anything, even though I like want to, like the deepest part of me wants to, because I have a small forehead and I want to highlight and make it bigger, but I don't because blending out is weird because the skin on my forehead is kind of patchy and I just can't deal with it, so boom. I hate how fast. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is light medium. I feel like this stuff dries way too fast. I feel like every time I do my makeup for a video at like 3 a.m. it turns out like really good, and then I have to do my makeup for like an event the next day. Not like an event, it's like I'm going out to the movies or Walmart or something, and it's just like so shitty. I don't know how I even conjured it up. So now I'm gonna take the Glossier Wonder. I was gonna say Wonder. It's G11 to G12. I felt like their darker powder was just not it for me. And I usually don't try to put that much on, just like a thin layer, not anything like too crazy. Also me putting all this on. I said baking. I feel like this really smooths out my face. Like it makes me look like I have baby skin, and that's what I'm about. That is my life. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Usually I don't do my brows. I just put my contour on and then like wipe this stuff off, but I'm gonna do my brows. And I use the what is this pen called? The Brow Flick pen by Glossier. Whenever I buy something, I'm just like, that's what I have to use from now on for the rest of my life. Like the Tarte Shape Tape, I don't even know why I use it because I don't like it that much. It dries up too fast. I just bought it because like everyone else loved it, and then I was kind of disappointed. But it was really expensive, so like I'm using it. I'm gonna use it as much as I can. It's really easy to mess up with this because it's just like, you have to have a lot of control to use this. Is that good? I think that's good. Oh, I don't know how to fix that. I don't know how to fix that. Do I just like... don't know how to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this off now. Now I use the Fenty Beauty, what is this, matchstick and truffle. I spilled a bunch of makeup in my bag where I like keep all my makeup, and now I'm just have makeup all over everything. So I go kind of high. I don't know how people go like low because I have a short face and it makes me look weird. Here. And then sometimes I'll contour my nose a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop there. And then, oh, I put too much. Whatever. We blended. Ew, I feel like that looks really ugly. How do I get away with that in real life? Ew. Ew. Okay, so now that we're contoured and there's like, I guess a difference, I'm going to highlight using the Milk Makeup highlighter. It's called Lit. I like having a bunch of highlight on my nose, and then like everywhere else I'm just like, don't really care. I dab it on my cheeks because I feel like it's gonna mess with like whatever I have under it, but I'm not really sure if it does. I don't really go for like that snatched highlighter look that everyone else does. So quirky. I guess I'm just not like other girls. I take the Kylie lip liner, it's ∙ and I go under my lower lip only. I don't know if it makes like too big of a difference, but I just like having it there. So now I'm going to take a white liner. This is by Maybelline, and I'm gonna put that on my eye, my like waterline. Okay, now normally I'd take a black liner. This is by Kiss, and I would put it on my upper lashes, but I'm not going to do that today. So now we have my freckles. We're going to do my freckles, and I just take an eyeshadow palette and some tweezers, and I go buck wild. Okay, so that is my completed everyday makeup look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.